Everyone, the first group of Intermountain Healthcare workers started orientation today, not here in Utah, but in New York City.
That's right, and tomorrow they'll join New York nurses helping patients with COVID-19. Fox 13's Aaron Cox spoke with two of those Utah nurses today and joins us now live from Logan Regional Hospital. Aaron.
Yeah, Bob and Kelly, one of the nurses I spoke with is originally from here in Logan Regional Hospital, and she was dealing with about 5 COVID-19 patients before she left. Well, in New York City, she's now dealing with 650 patients.
Very small community to a great big huge community.
Missy Best has been a nurse for 7 years and says she was thrilled at the opportunity to help her fellow nurses in New York City.
Think that you have to work like 4 weeks straight, 12 hours a day. You know, you don't get to see your family. You're just working and sleeping and working and sleeping.
Best hopes to provide some relief, a sentiment echoed by Jess Fecto, who has been a nurse for 5 years.
We're trained to go to war, but we're just doing our daily thing, and now we've been called out to come annihilate COVID.
Fecto says 600 nurses from Utah applied to go, and only 50 were selected to be a part of this first group.
You know, they might look in the mirror and see themselves as regular faces, but what I see and what my team sees, you know, when they walked in the door, we were like, oh my God, thank you, you're here.
Lynette Wolford with Northwell Health in New York City says their hospital has 17,000 nurses, and their ERs are packed with patients with shortness of breath. 75% of Northwell's patients are those with COVID-19.
We normally have one nurse in our ICU taking care of 2 patients. This was going to result in one nurse perhaps needing to take care of 4, 5, or 6 patients. That is an unimaginable ratio.
Northwell is running at almost twice their capacity. Once caregivers from Utah are finished learning Northwell's electronic documentation system,
I guess I'll see reality tomorrow.
they will be working side by side with Northwell nurses.
This arrangement is not a business deal. This is compassion in action.
To show them that we care, we love you guys.
Now, this group of health caregivers are going to be there for about 2 weeks, and Intermountain Healthcare is sending another group tomorrow. Live from Logan Regional Hospital, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.